Hey, what's up guys, it's still Fulfilling Concept. So most of the time we are talking about how to design this and how to design that. But you may have noticed that in most cases we are doing everything ourselves and from scratch. What if you need to get a work done to the client and they will love it and you get your money paid to you right there and then? Well, that's what this video is about. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about all the free art sets I use as a graphic designer. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, let's talk about fonts. Now, the website I use the most for fonts is dafonts.com. I'll try to leave the links to everything I mentioned in here down in the description below. So if you go to dafonts.com, you have a bunch of fonts to use. It is actually grouped and categorized the way you want. If you are looking for retro, you can just click on that and to give you every retro style that we have here. I'll go ahead and download a few of them. So I'm looking at this Miscan font. I just click on the download button and just like that, it is saved. So I'll go ahead and download probably this one too. Pask and Amoria. I think I've seen this somewhere on one of the wedding packages. Anyway, so the font is one of the best fonts downloading websites. Everything, well, most of the things here are free and you can use them for some basic projects. The next on the list is Google Fonts. So I'll just go in here and type it in Google Fonts. And it's the first link right here. Now, you know Google, they want everything to be as massive as possible. So you can go ahead and search the font name here. You can even increase and decrease the size of the font and all of that. So if you have any font in mind that you are interested in, say Montserrat, I mentioned this font a lot. You see, you can just scroll through and see how the different styles of the fonts look like, and all of them are also named very nicely. Now, if you're interested in it, just click on Get Font and click on Download All. Now, I already have this font, so I'm not going to do that. The next set of assets you may need as a graphic designer are icons. Let me explain. So instead of just typing in phone icon in Google, then going ahead to images and probably downloading a few of them from here. Yes, that was what I was doing initially, and it's quite annoying, I should say, because you have to crop out all of the white background, make sure that everything is aligned perfectly, and sometimes you don't even get it in the way you want. Like if you get one like this, which is a gradient of a dark green moving towards the lighter green shade of green. In this case, you may not be able to use the magic wand to create a selection because the colors are not entirely the same. So this is the website I use and it's called Flat Icon. So you just search it up in Google and just click on the first link. And over here, you can search for virtually anything. So let's go back to the phone and click on OK. And you may have noticed we have a bunch of phone icons from here. So all you have to do is just click download on any of them and you have it saved to your computer. In my case, I'll save it as PNG because I mostly edit in Photoshop and that is what I prefer using. And once you're done, just click on free download. Now you have the opportunity to let other people know that the author did a very good job with this, so you can attribute the author if you want to. It's a must actually, but if you want to. So just like that, I also have it downloaded like so. Now, apart from Flat Icon, we also have Icons 8. So I'll just type it in here, Icons, the letter 8. I didn't even bring the S. So this is also another website to download icons from. So based on what you are looking for, you can just search it up like so. Let's go ahead and search phone one more time. And as you can see, there are a bunch of phone icons that you can actually use. So use this to your advantage. And the final one on the list, which is going to make your work extremely easier, are free mockups. Now, the one that I like using, or I mostly find myself using, are from this website, freepic.com, and just select the first one. So as you can see here are a bunch of PSD templates that I can download and use for my Photoshop work. So let's imagine I want this particular design for my CV. I just open it up like so. And yes, they have updated their website. I believe now you can even edit or make changes to the design. Apparently it's not all of the designs, but some of them you have the opportunity to make edits to your design, just like how you do in Canva. So in this case, I actually want to download them, so I just click on download. And as always, you may have to give attributes to the author too as well. Now, one other good thing about this website is you are not limited to PSD files. As you may have noticed, up here it says PSD. You can download videos, you can download icons, you can download photos. So basically everything I've spoken about earlier, you can find it also here, including fonts, which is also here like so. But the unfortunate thing is not everything there is free. Some items you may have to purchase them. So yeah, some people did work hard for creating those elements, so not everything is going to be for free. The next platform for getting mockups is Mockup World. So let me just search it up and click the first link. And just like Freepic, you can go ahead and search what you are looking out for. Let's say I'm looking for an eye mark, and just click on the search icon. And as you can see, there are so many images of eye marks that I can download and use for my work. Why don't we take a look at this one? Because it's notified here as free. So click on view details. And this is looking quite interesting. So I'll click on free download. Yes, you have to wait a couple of seconds. And once it is ready, we should get a notification. So yeah, these are some of the websites that I use to get access to some of the files that I need when designing some specific projects. Feel free to use them to your own discretion, and as always, just leave some quotation for the author. They do really work hard for these sort of things. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Philo Concepts, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.